Anong picture? Dito ka?
Dili. Wayow, Jellai Jolly parin. We're back again with another vlog. For today, guys, we'll be making a Dalgona coffee without an electric mixer and stuff and whatsoever, using cheap ingredients, very cheap ingredients. So this is something that our parents won't permit us to do. Currently, they are not here. They don't allow coffee at home. So, mom and dad, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so without further ado, guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna show you our ingredients, the very basic ingredients, guys. 2 sticks of Nescafe, sugar. Actually, we only need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Nice. And then Bear Brand. We already mixed it. Bear Brand milk, because we couldn't buy now fresh milk, Nestle fresh milks in stores because we couldn't go out. We don't have quarantine pass. Spoon for the measurement, and this bowl, whisk. Perfect. We're gonna start now, guys. So Eliza, please get the camera. You video me for 30 minutes. Okay, go. First step. First step is we're gonna put... We don't have hot water, girl! Okay, so now we already have the hot water. So first, guys, we're gonna put the 2 sticks of coffee first. There. Watch, girl. Whisk it. It's so easy. So, finish na. Okay na, Dalgona. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then, sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar as well. Recess na! Okay, so while I'm doing this, guys, no, I'm gonna chika to you. You know, I attempted to make a Dalgona Milo, and here's what happened. Roll BTR! Wayow, Jellai Jolly parin. We're back again with another vlog, and for today, we will be doing a homemade Dalgona coffee. Let's try it making. I've never tried making this one. Hope this will be successful. Let's see, guys.
So, kuwang raki na siya pag-whisk. Guys, excited na si Mamshi. Oh my God, ito na. Oh my God. Nalunod.
Guys, nisink lagi! Actually, somebody suggested this vlog content to me on Instagram, but I was so hesitant because we don't have even a single coffee at home. And we bought because coffees are banned at home. But that's why, as you guys can see, we are making Dalgona coffee inside the room. Because our parents might arrive. We don't know what to do. Oh my goodness. So, as you can see, it's getting lighter. We have the Dalgona coffee. Oh my gosh, it's my first time. It's so successful. So we're gonna taste it right now. Later natin i-mix. I miss coffee. Dami! Oh my gosh, so we're gonna mix it, guys. My heart went. Okay, we're gonna taste it again. I feel like I'm in Bo's Coffee. Charot. Mora din ni sikreto ninyo Bo's Coffee. Ha? Yay! Successful! So I have water here to neutralize. Alright! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're gonna make this one too at home. Because it's just very easy. I can't believe it. Mura na kag naa sa cafe. Then maka-study na ako. I'm study na ko. Okay, just kidding. Joke lang mag-study, guys. Okay, so that's it for our vlog today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned something. Tamang Bear Brand lang at coffee and then sugar and hot water and then whisk it. Tapos, ayan, we've got this! Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos to come. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye!